Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna go over how I made this awesome little honing jig that I use to get a sharp edge on my chisels. If you wanna make this for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below for some of the parts I use to make this awesome jig. Also, I wanna thank today's sponsor, which is Aibocn, who sent me this wonderful Bluetooth lock that I used on my new shop, and I'll show you that now. Also, if you wanna purchase one for yourself, use my link in the description below and get one also ordered up for your home or shop. Super awesome. Please check them out. And again, thank you for supporting me and also for watching these videos. I truly appreciate it. All right, so the cool thing is when I come up here, I can open my app. Pulls up super quick. Just hit the unlock button. And just like that, the unlock has unlocked and it lets you know it's been logged. You can go ahead and go in. All right, and when I end for the night, I can just come out my door here, close the door behind me, and then pull out my app, and then just long hold the lock button, and it locks up, lets you know, and that log has been entered, and then you can go away. Another really cool feature on how you can get in is if you don't have your phone on you or you don't want the app or whatever, you can just go here to the keypad, enter your PIN there, and it opens up. And the really cool thing about this as well is it has illuminated buttons, so at night it just looks way cool. Also, if you, for some reason the battery dies, there's actually two pins here where you can take a 9-volt, put it there, and it will unlock the door that way. Also, the lock comes with 2 sets of keys. All you do is have to pull this cover off, and it's just like a normal deadbolt. Put your key in there, unlock it, and you're good to go. The install on this lock was super straightforward. The instructions are super clear, very easy to install. I had my son, who's 8 years old, help me out, and together we knocked it out in about probably 5 minutes is all. You just got to drill 1 hole in your existing door just with like a 3/8 bit, and I mean that's all you need really to install it. Again, straightforward. And also the really cool thing about this is you can see my door is a left-hand open door. Well, with this lock, there's just this little switch in there where you can turn it to either a left or a right-hand open door, and that way it knows whether to lock or unlock, you know, according to the door orientation.